If you are looking for brand new forestry trailers, we can easily connect you with multiple forestry equipment manufacturers. Forestry trailer prices can vary from company to company, so comparing trailers quotes is essential. Fill out one simple form and your request will be sent directly to qualified forestry machinery producers in your region. You will benefit by saving time, and most importantly, you can compare the cost of forestry trailers and save money. It is a free service and manufacturers will contact you directly with their quotes. Take 2 minutes to describe your needs and receive up to 6 price quotes from log trailer manufacturers. Visit timbertrailer.com and start today.